So I started doing some due diligence on different entertainment options that also would incorporate my experience as a restaurant operator, and started visiting many different boutique bowling alleys across the country, and knew pretty immediately that that was the concept that we needed to bring to New Orleans and this location specifically. Being a venue with 12 bowling lanes in downtown New Orleans is very unique, and so we thought that that would give us a competitive advantage over the other, let's call it play options that were in this neighborhood. It was a big investment, but also one that we felt would be very important to really differentiate us from the other entertainment options in the city. Because we're new to the bowling business, so we really had no expectations of what it was like to be an operator in this business until we got into it. So the one expectation that we had was make sure the guest has a great time. And I believe that the products and offerings that Qubica has made it easier for us to execute on that. So from the financial standpoint, BestX has really given us that additional piece that we can customize the guest experience, and so really it's been beneficial on the group event side, which is our core business. And so I would say it is definitely financially rewarding by investing in a system that can give you such a flexible and additional offerings to differentiate yourself from the competition. So Qubica, their commitment to offering training services was very important for us, and in the vendor that we chose, their investment in offering that service has been vital to our business. So the TMS machines have proven to be fantastic in that as long as you maintain them, as long as you take care of them, they work phenomenally well. The pin action, everything, the sound, everything was the same. The only difference was it picked the pins up on a string and set them back down. Our machines need to be operating constantly so that we don't lose revenue, and the TMS machines are both reliable, but then also when there is an issue, they're much easier to get back online. When I first contacted Qubica, that was one of the first questions that I asked them is, do you have a string pin setter option? And was pleased to find out that not only do they have an option, but they have the best option in the industry. I would highly recommend these TMS machines to those in the boutique segment like we are. The advice that I would give to someone looking to invest in the bowling industry, especially one like myself who has no experience running bowling centers, would be to find the right partner. And Qubica was that for us. While we had the experience running food and beverage operations, I had zero experience running a bowling alley. And I also did not necessarily have the time to learn. And so Qubica was a kind of a one-stop shop for us in terms of not just providing us with the best products and offerings that the industry has, but also their network of people in the industry, whether it was consultants, architects. They were kind of my hub for this whole development. And I made some great relationships through that. And so really the best advice, again, that I can give is to find the right partner. For me, it was Qubica.